as a start for our little talk show, we have Hayden Black. Hayden Black, everybody. Hayden Black. Hayden,
Yes.
you are one heck of an athlete.
Thank you.
What all sports do you do? Let's start it off. What all sports do you do?
So my sophomore year, well, really sixth grade, I started doing cross country, and then I did my sophomore year. The other sports I do. I'm a diver, one of the only divers on the diving team. We have 2 girls now, which is better than what it's been the last couple of years. And apparently I'm on the lacrosse team now.
Welcome to the lacrosse team. Am I right?
Yeah.
That's great. How many bones have you broken?
None, actually.
No bones.
No bones.
Not a single crack.
Not a single crack. I mean, I had one fracture. It was my finger right here. I was rock climbing, and there was a jam, and it got stuck. And I was like, I can't get it out, so I just pulled it out really hard.
What would you like to try that you haven't tried yet?
A skydive.
Some bungee jumping, maybe?
I'd do bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping sounds fun. Sounds fun.
Would you do that?
One day.
One day.
Kenny Marshall will do bungee jumping one day. Give it like a month or a century.
A century?
Yeah.
I think you could do it today. Today?
We're cooking.
Yeah. We're cooking mug treats. These are very old. We're not eating them.
No, we're just making them.
Very much. So,
I might try one.
okay. Alright.
Frosting doesn't taste bad.
Look like a clown.
Wait, no, never mind. Yeah. Hot. Oh, this just burned my hand.
Child. Anyway, so.
Smells good.
Nice. Yeah, I'm not eating that.
Yeah, no, I'm not eating that
Anyways.
either.
Enjoy.
Oh, guys! Oh, I can't do this! Oh, no!
What?